Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to update you on basics of stock market. Okay, many of you are thinking the stock market investment is a little bit of risky, and how to hold, which companies to buy, which companies to sell, and how to understand how to pick a stock, and what is this all about stock market. And let's understand the basic of stock market. That is very important to understand. And also I will be explaining you in a very simple common language. Okay, so many of you are scared about the stock market investments and risk factors or anything like that. If you have, so I will clear those doubts today. So basically what exactly happens when the company is there. So there will be a privately owned company will be there, so that's a private limited company which offers the shares to the public for the first time. So when it offers shares to the public for the first time, then it becomes a public listed company, and that becomes a publicly traded company. So that is called as initial public offer, that is IPO. So this is a simple language. So when a company having a there will be only the privately owned company, the owners will be there, so they will be selling those shares to the public, and when it offers shares to the public for the first time, then the company will be a publicly traded company. So that becomes a public limited company, you can say. Okay, so from private limited to it becomes a public limited. So the often the companies raise capital for the growth and expansion purpose. So that is very important here. So company will raise because they are issuing shares, right? They are issuing the shares to the public. That means they are raising the funds. So that's very important. So this will be an opportunity for the early investors and who are company shareholders. So they will be selling their shares and getting the returns out of their investments. So that means the investors who have invested in the early of the companies, so those people will be exiting from that company, and that company shares will be going to be a public, it will be in the public hands. So the public will be investing in those companies. So this is about IPO. So when a company is there is let us take example, a lot of IPOs will be there, and now there is one IPO which is coming, that is Indian Shelter Finance Corporation, so which is opening on 13th of December, and closing date is around 15th. There will be a time period for that particular time where investors can apply for their shares actually. So that is the date, like 13th December to 15th December, and issue price will be like 469 to 493. This is the price band. So 493 is the cutoff bid. So in case if you want to bid, you have to bid for 493, and the lot size is 30. Minimum quantity you have to apply is 30. So it's a lot. The issue size is around 1200 crores. So this is one IPO which is coming, and on this month, so in 13th December. So very simple. Now the companies have been owned by the promoters, so they will be selling that, and the company from private to it will become public limited company. Hope this is clear. So when any company wants to apply for IPO, the company should take approval and from the SEBI, that is Security Exchange Board of India, and the SEBI will approve for the IPOs actually. So once it approves, then the company what are the legal filings will be there. So those filings the company has to do. Once the filing is done, so the file is in the SEBI's board. So SEBI will approve that particular company for the listing, and they do their own analysis and understanding about the reports and all the company's balance sheet and everything. They everything they will check, and they give a approval for the companies to list in the exchanges. So that means, so once the SEBI is approved, so there will be depositories will be there, that's NSDL and CDSL. And whenever you open any demat account, so demat account will be opened either in NSDL or CDSL. So the CDSL is the listed company, and these are the two depositories where your demat accounts will be opened. Either you can just check it out, your demat account, either it will be in Central Depository Service Limited or it will be in NSDL. So either of these are the two depositories where your demat accounts will be opened actually. So then once the company is issued, the shares when the IPO listed, so they will list in two exchanges in India. One is National Stock Exchange and one more is Bombay Stock Exchange. So these are the two exchanges. Now in next coming few months, NSE is also going to list in the market. So now already there is a BSE has been already listed in the market. So these are the two exchanges. One is National Stock Exchange and one is Bombay Stock Exchange. So these are the two exchanges where the companies will be listed. So hope I'm giving you a right updates, and in a simple way you will be understanding about the basics of investments. So first is initial public offer. When the company issues the shares, that will be listed in NSE and BSE. Still many of you may be thinking how to pick a stock, correct? So see, this is all okay about the basics of investments, but how to understand the companies? And many people are still not interested to invest in stock market. For them, I will tell you one thing: you all really missing a lot actually, and I will be explaining you why you should not to have a fear of investments. Okay, that's important, right? You should not have a fear. How to remove that fear of investments? The which stock will do well, whether my money will be lost, whether I will lose my entire capital. So what exactly the stock market is all about? And simply, in case if you are not investing also, I will tell you one thing: in either way you are helping us to make our family richer and richer every day. Why? Because is you are buying those companies products. So that is how when you buy a company's product, let us take example. See, as soon as you get up, you use the Colgate, right? So you are using the products. So one or either way you are making the company's products to buy, right? You are buying a company's products. And what happens when the company's products have been bought, and you are buying, when you are buying a company's products, who will become who will get disadvantages? The shareholders of this company. So when the more sales is happening, that is nothing but the top line growth, the sales. So which when the sales is improving more and more, the company's products have been sold higher. What happens to the stock price? Ultimately it goes high. So I'm not telling you anything. If you are not interested to buy this company shares, keep using these products. So you are making us to more richer. So whoever is shareholders of Colgate, who is becoming rich today, and you are keep buying and keep invest. You are buying every day. In case forget about, as soon as you get up, you use this product, right? Next comes is Hindustan Unilever product. Hindustan Unilever. Tell me one thing. You like coffee, right? And you like brew. If you want to have tea, you have a red label. Tell me one thing: is you go to your kitchen and check it out, these products are there or not. Forget those things. Just see the Boost. Boost is the secret of my energy. I know, still you may be thinking, right? Oh, these are the products are already there in your house, but you are using these products. Dove shampoo is there, or Domax in the toilet, Rin, Surf Excel, so Vim, Pepsodent, correct? Kisan Jam, Vaseline, correct? You name the products of Hindustan Unilever, a single house in India will have one or other products in their house. I know, but you are using those products. What? 10 years back also you are using, today also you are using those products, but you are not invested in the Hindustan Unilever. Correct? Don't use it. Don't buy any stocks of Hindustan Unilever. You keep buying these products. We love you all. We all investors love you because you are buying these products. When you buy these products, and we are the shareholders, will become richer. Correct? So next comes is the Nestle. So Maggi, 2 minutes Maggi. I don't think so in 2 minutes the Maggi will happen. Water boiling itself, it will take more than 2 minutes. But still you love to have a Maggi. Okay, so no problem. But these are the company's products they have. You can say these are the products. Milky Bar chocolates, Munch is there, right? So always carry whenever you want to give to kids. When you get Coke, kids will ask you and you buy this. So definitely, as you will have in the morning Nestle coffee, and next comes is the brand of products. So that's the you can say um, Ashirwad Atta. Ashirwad salt is also there, but Ashirwad Atta is one of the highest selling now. And ITC, you can say uh, Sunfist biscuits. Okay, when you as soon as you have your breakfast, when uh, you like to have, when you go to office also you use, when there's again other products that they have. um, I'll just show you. ITC is meant for what? Cigarette, right? Correct, na? But other than that also they have the products. So they see the Savlan again. Okay, and you can say, so they have other products also, and there is a Matchbox also. Correct, Matchbox. Correct, cigarette is there, Matchbox is there. What else? As soon as the person goes to office, either one he will use, either cigarette or in, as soon as when you're doing a puja you buy this, but still you don't want to invest in ITC. Correct. So what is holding on, what is making you not to buy the company shares, but you are buying these products? Really amazing. We are very happy. Keep using these companies products, keep using these companies products, but never ever think of, never thought of investing in these products. Instead of that you can buy the company shares. Very simple, right? Very simple, right? Okay, so again next comes is my favorite, where you travel in which car. You use Maruti, right? You use Maruti's brands. So travel to office, you buy a, you need a car to travel, right? But you use Maruti's products. Very simple. You are ready to buy, you are ready to, you're very happy to pay money to Maruti and have a luxury car, but you're not interested to buy a few quantities shares of Maruti, but you like to travel in Eicher Motors to the office, in case if you don't want to use a car, but you want to use your lovely Royal Enfield bike, right? Royal Enfield bike costs around 2 to 3 lakh rupees, but the stock you are not interested to buy. Still okay, you keep buying these companies products, keep, you, your kids love it, and you gift them this particular bike. It's okay, we are very happy for that, but you're still missing out a lot if you're not investing. So is it, you tell me one thing, uh, is it a simple way like to analyze, my kids love it, but I am not buying the Eicher Motors stocks? Next comes is when you go to office and you order through Zomato. At home you will order, every day you are ordering, but not interested to check what is the stock price of Zomato. So that's interest is yours, but what is the interest of the person who wants to buy it? Let's take, many people are using this app, Prime. There are few investors who are holding this particular stock, right? So tell me one thing, so far I explained you every products, you love it, but you are not invested in these companies. What is stopping you not to invest in these companies? Correct. So very simple language to understand which are the company's products you are using on a day-to-day basis, and you love those products. Simple language, right? Simple language to understand. I'm not giving you a GAN about fundamental analysis, I'm not telling you about technical analysis, that is secondary. The first basics of investment is this one. So on a day-to-day basis, what you are seeing at, you are easily accessible, through that you can understand about the company's products, how they are. So correct. So coming to the point where you reached office and you used Zomato to pick a order, then after getting a job you love to have your luxurious apartment, correct? So and which is the apartment you love? You love the branded, right? DLF, maybe Prestige, maybe Godrej, maybe you like Shobha. So these are the luxurious apartments which you have all amenities, and you love those facilities what they give and what the brand is all about. and you have a dream of constructing your house, but you want to live in your own dream house. So you buy a company, like you buy apartments using your earned hard-earned money, but you're not interested to buy a company's shares, right? It's okay for us, it's okay. So you keep investing in DLF, you buy a property, and definitely you buy with the loan of HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank home loan. You take a home loan from HDFC Bank. Earlier it was HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank was separate. Now the both have entities are merged. But you buy through the loan because they give you a loan easily, correct? So you buy a loan from HDFC Bank, and definitely don't buy a stock of this particular, and you buy a loan from this company. But we are very happy, but please pay your EMIs regularly, work hard for us. Thank you for you buying a loan from these companies and paying on time. Your EMI is getting debited every month on time. But we as investors, we love you so much because you are making us about the investors more and more richer. So buy home loan from ICICI. Then whenever you book an apartment, definitely he will be using Ultratech cement. That's how he is all about the brand. And once the construction is done, so you like to have your interiors, bathroom fits from good Sarah Centerwear. So that's how it is all about, right? You like this, you like the company's products, right? You see, you go and check it out, the what the company's products are all about, and how the brand company is doing from last so many years, and the quality what they're maintaining from the day one. So you all maybe really many products of sanitary ware is really good, and I think you keep buying these products but not interested to invest in this company. Tell me one thing, what is stopping you from this, that you don't like these products? You like, right? But still you are not interested. Is it not an easy way to understand about the investments in a simple language where you are seeing day-to-day basis about those companies products? Easy, right? And when you have that conviction, so it's easy, right? And once you construct a house, and you if you're not painting your house with Asian paints, will it look good? It will not look good, right? So definitely use Asian paints. Asian paint is one of the best product to use. And in case if you're not interested in Asian paint, you use Berger paints, you use Nerolac, either one you use, right? So what is it not so easy to understand about Asian paints? It's good. You go and ask good paint, which is the good paint. You go and ask a shop opener, he will tell Asian paint is the good. 10 years back also was the same product, today also same company, because they have built the brand. Then in case if you want to use your mobile phones, or in case if you want to use the TV, Dixon Technology. Now many electronic instruments have been made in India. But who was those manufacturers? TV and all is manufactured by Dixon. Tell you, Light, Dixon. So many products of Dixon have been used now. And once you construct a house, once you light fitting, TV, everything is ready, so you will have a great openings, or you will have you want to go to for the marriage parties and all, which is the Vedant fashion is there. That's mine. That's what is the brand, and you love those products. That's Manyavar, right? So so this is the company is already shares have been listed. This company is listed recently. The company sales are really good, and it has been across the world. So definitely in the marriages and all, many people give importance for their clothes, correct? So that is how it is all about. You might have seen these all the brand ambassadors, where the brand definitely functions after constructing house, in the ceremony, opening ceremony, you use this. So definitely after everything, after the job, everything, then we'll have a party, right? So what is happening? So everyone nowadays, not everyone, I can say. So party without this will not, end of the day, you need to have a party, right? So definitely brands matters a lot. So these are the brands. See, it's a Royal McDowell, definitely McDowell, and these see the brands what they have, and people, many people love these brands, and but they want to have party with these all the brands, but not interested to buy a stock of McDowell. Is it not? Is it not so easy to understand the company's products? Very simple. Just go to their website, check it out what the company's products, what company is dealing with. Is the company dealing with a good brand, bad brand, whether the company's products are really good, and is it a everyday consumable product? What type of products they have? Simple language, simple way of understanding about the company is what the company products are all about. Is company's sales is happening good or bad? So forget about this. What about this? I know you may not be knowing, but you knowing this company, right? These are the brands you might have seen, but this company is Radico Khaitan. Radico Khaitan is, these are the products they have. Jaisalmer recently they launched this product. 8 p.m. been sold for many days. The company products are there. Morphis, this is one of the best brand, been sold across. You all, it's a very simple. The investment in stock market is very simple. I will show you the stock prices also now, how they are performed. See, I think now recently listed company, Rainbow Children's Hospital. Rainbow Children's Hospital. Tell me one thing. Nobody will be happy if you go to hospitals and now people will be very sad, right? But Rainbow Children's Hospital, the parents will be very really happy, because childbirth is one of the happiest moment for the parents. Stock is there. Rainbow Children's Hospital. Understand the company what they are into. They are into mainly into uh, children's. This is children's hospital. Okay, birth is the very happy moment for the parents. So, which is the company to analyze? So that is the simple way, right? Next comes is the Dr. Reddy. End of the day, Dr. Reddy again is the health. Obviously, parents will be there in the house, so definitely the products of Dr. Reddy's will be sold so easily. And next comes is the Dr. Lapat Lab. So definitely after few age, so there should be a test should be done, and these companies products are being taken, and many people go for the nearest lab for the, and this lab is always available nearby every house, nearby house their nearby areas. Dr. Lalpat labs, they have their brands across cities. Is it not so easy to understand the company is listed or not? Just go and check it out. This company is listed. Next comes is again one more I can say in the last. It's very sad that many cancer patients are there now, and which is the cancer hospital, that's HCG, correct? So this is how simple language of stock market investment is all about. So hope I explained you from morning to again sleeping with these with the medicines and tablets, so in a day-to-day basis which are consumable for the people. So that products are already listed in the market, and which are those companies, I as I shown you Colpal, you can see the stock which has gone up from 2009 and all. The stock was trading at 200 rupees, and currently 2293. I'm not considered any bonus or dividend or anything. Simple stock momentum. So next comes is again Hindustan Unilever. You just see Hindustan Unilever stock price has gone up, and next comes is Nestle. See the trend of the companies. Next comes is ITC. ITC was slow moving, but now it has moved very well, currently trading at 449 rupees. Next comes is Maruti, Eicher Motors, Zomato. See the stock price, New Age Business. Then comes is DLF. DLF was trading some time back to 1200, and the stock price went down till 153. It was trading for quite many days, but again started moving up, and real estate has picked up. So 649 rupees currently stock is trading at. Shobha, again you can see HDFC Bank, one of the best bank to invest. Okay, then Ultratech Cement. See the stock performance. Sarah Sanitaryware. See the price. See the price. So it was there in very 500 rupees range. The stock currently it went up 8462. Next comes is again Asian Paints. See the price. Dixon, Vedant Fashion, McDowell. See the price. Radico, Rainbow Hospital, recently listed company. The stock was trading at around 500 rupees and today it is 1000 rupees. Dr. Reddy's, then Lolpat Lab. See, I'm giving you a very simple portfolio where on a day-to-day basis where you are able to understand about the company's products. You can buy it easily. So definitely this is how the simple way of analysis can be done. And next level of investment is again fundamental and technical. There are two analyses are there where which we can go for a deep analysis on whether the company's products are how they are able to manage their day-to-day expenses and how they are able to generate more wealth for the company, and how the sales is happening, and whether the company is profitable company or loss making company. So there are more than 5500 companies are listed in the NSE and BSE both inclusive. So it's very easy for you to understand the basics of the company's products, what the company is dealing with. So that's a simple language, correct? So where you need not break your head much, and just go and check it out what the company's products are all about. Are you able to understand the company's products or not? Okay, so that is how the basics of stock market can be learned in a simple language. So that is how I analyzed my investments. So I just give you have given you a basics of investment ideas where how you can pick up a stock and how you can understand and how you can when you want to buy a stock, what are the factors, what are the parameters you need to check every day, every time when you are buying it. So hope this video was very helpful for you, and this made your investments ideas and how to pick a stock in a simple way. So all the best for your investments, and do subscribe to my channel, and happy investments, and keep investing for the long term. And long term investment is the only way for your success to create a wealth for yourself, to your family. All the best.